Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Jest from Jhuxtello iTech, and today we have some exciting updates for all BECE candidates and their families. We know you're eagerly awaiting the results, so let's break down what you need to know about the 2024 BECE results release. When will the 2024 BECE results be released? Following the completion of the 2024 BECE on July 15th, candidates and their families are buzzing with questions about the release date of the results. With the marking process potentially still underway, it's important to have a rough idea of when to expect those crucial results. To help estimate the release date, let's look at some key dates from the Ghana Education Service, BECE. According to BECE, BECE graduates will start the 2024-2025 academic year on Friday, September 27, 2024. Based on past trends, WAEC usually releases the BECE results at least 3 weeks before the school placements are announced. This means we should expect the results to come out between September 5th and September 13th, 2024. Furthermore, school placements are generally released at least 1 week before the new academic year begins. So, placements should be available between September 18th and September 23rd, 2024, with the latest date being September 20th, 2024. For those interested, here are a few more important updates. 1. School selection dates. The process for selecting schools for BECE graduates will run from August 23rd to September 4th, 2024. 2. Public education and sensitization. BECE will conduct sessions on school selection starting August 18, 2024. 3. Reopening of SHS. Senior high schools will reopen on September 27, 2024, marking the beginning of the new academic year. So, while waiting for the results, keep an eye on these dates and stay updated. If you have any more questions or need further information, drop them in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any important updates. Thanks for watching, and good luck to all the BECE candidates.